Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a Clio, and this is in for the 9-inch Apple and Android CarPlay unit using an ACV panel. And as you can see, it fits lovely. All the factory buttons refit, air vents and so forth are fine. Steering wheel controls are working fine as well, so the whole car is in normal working order. This has gone from a little sort of 6-inch screen to a 9-inch touch screen. Absolutely spot on. Anything you need is on this unit, so you get all of that. Go back here, come back here, go back to Kenwood, and you've got the factory option and so forth. Something like this interests you, give us a ring. We're based in Cardiff. We're part of the Pro Install team, and this now comes with a 3-year warranty. Thank you for watching.